I'm Chef Greg, and today I'm going to show you how to make a citrus pecan and kale salad. First step in making this salad is going to be candying some pecans. Couldn't be any easier. We're going to add in a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, about a 1/4 cup of ROSSAROOSKI'S honey rib rub. We've got the RT 700 bowl preheated to 250 degrees with one of my favorite accessories, the grill mat. We'll mix these around and we'll let these go for about an hour. We'll be ready to put them in our salad. All right, let's go ahead and make the vinaigrette for this salad. So to extract the most flavor out of this lemon, we're gonna zest it before we juice it, and that's gonna give us some great, vibrant, fresh flavor. We'll add a tablespoon of white balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and then just a little bit of COLDEN'S Freakin Greek. So when talking about kale and making a salad really delicious, we want to remove this stem. So you can literally rip the leaves off of that stem, bunch them up, and then cut them nice and thin. You might see this called chiffonade, and that literally means thin shreds. We're gonna julienne some Granny Smith apple. The beauty of this salad is you can enjoy it all year long, but I really enjoy it around the holidays. So to finish building this salad, we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of feta cheese, 1/2 cup of dried cherries, and you could honestly use any of your favorite dried fruits. We're gonna add a cup of our delicious candied pecans, and then our citrus vinaigrette. The salad tastes the best when it has a chance to kind of marinate for about 15-20 minutes. So this salad looks amazing. We've got those delicious warm candied pecans, those dried cherries, that Granny Smith apple, that citrus vinaigrette. It goes along perfect with a nice roast pork. It even looks like a Christmas tree. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel.